For those of you who don't know, here's how to get the new rat hat in Animal Company. I don't have it yet, but I'm gonna go get it. So I thought I would just make a video on it. So, yeah. First thing you're gonna need is a light of your choosing. You don't need these things, but I'm also taking a grappler and a teleporter thing. And yeah. The first thing you want to do is come over to this area. This area right here. Actually, matter of fact. No, we'll get that later. We'll get, one of the ingredients is the cheese. You just come over here. And once you get in here, you go down the hole. Whee! Ow! And you run. And you. And then once you get. Oh my god. Once you get in this area, just walk around for a little bit. Ow, my eyes. What's good, my G? I would say eat frick, but ow! But I keep getting useless stuff. For some reason it's not here, but there will be a little tiny. Oh, right here. There will be a little tiny blue mushroom, and you just take that. Like you could usually, I would say just keep going, but for me, I brought this. It's portable. Take your bag. Take the blue mushroom. Don't eat it. Take a bag. Throw it in the bag. Put that on your bag. Actually, switch these. I guess I'll keep it. And you'll need it. Grab the cheese. Frick himself. You grab the cheese, put it in the bag. And you go back. And now the part that is either really grindy for you or really easy for you. You need a burrito, a mega broccoli, and beans. Put those all in the bag. And come on. Let me go down in the company station shopping here. And go over here to Creative Studio. And you walk through all of these right here. You take a right and go into stage 6, which is the company diner. And you just come in here. And then nothing else in here except for this pot, the shiny pot. You'll see like a bunch of things dancing around in there. That's when you take out everything you got and you put it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it'll show the hat, and it'll make the ching, and it'll put the hat on your head. If you want me to show you proof, I will show you. He just scared the crap out of me. And right here, you can see, we have the rat hat on. So, yeah. That's gonna be all for the vid. See you in the next one. What the frick? Okay, see you in the next one. Goodbye.